If you have a hearing aid that is not working, there's only two things you can do to try to get it working again. Step one, check the battery. Is the battery a good battery and does it work? Put a new battery in, give the hearing aid 5 to 10 seconds to start up again, and you should be able to hear a whistle or a sound come out of the hearing aid. Many times you may have to take the hearing aid and cup it just to force that little feedback sound. And if you can get that sound, you know the hearing aid's working. If you're not getting any sound after changing the battery, second step you can do is change the little filter. And you'll know right away if that's the problem. You would have received, depending on the hearing aid, they look a little bit different, but they all have the same idea. There's a little tool to remove the dirty filter and put a new filter in. If you remove that filter and you get sound, then you know the hearing aid's working well, put the new filter on. If you remove that filter and there is no sound, then you know the hearing aid needs to be serviced. That's when you'll give us a call and have us check your hearing aid for you.